G'day all, back with the M90 hit-miss engine. I've changed the springs again. Now I've got one of the original springs that come with the M90 on the governor, and I've got one of the softer springs that I had on the last video where I had two of the softer springs on. So I'm going to show you how it runs with this. So it's one of the original springs and one softer spring. Alright. Okay, so there we have it running yet again differently. Very dependent on those springs, so how it runs, if it's slow and if it's missing, hit and missing. But anyway, you've just watched that. Tell me what you think, how that one's running. Alright, as always guys, thank you for watching. Bye now.